Learning languages. Nazim Aziz.
I was only 7 when my family came here. I'd never been to school in Pakistan, and I suppose I started learning English straight away when I started school here. I never actually learned it. I was just chucked in with a lot of English kids. I reckon they thought I was really thick at first, but I didn't understand a word. Anyway, I just picked it up. It's weird because I haven't got a Pakistani accent. That's because I didn't learn English there. Some families use English at home in Pakistan, and they'll never lose their accent. Everybody says I sound like a Liverpudlian because I went to school in Liverpool, and I've always lived here. Bernard Lefort.
I have studied English since 5 years in France. We studied at school and we learned the grammar and we translated everything into French. I started at the age of 12. I think I do not speak well. I am very slow, but I can understand everything I read very good, very well. I do not like to make mistakes, so I do not speak too much. I am living in Paris, and I meet English people in my work. I have a very French accent, but this is not important. I am French, and I am happy when people know this. Anyway, the English, I think French accents are very romantic, yes?
Luciana Rossi.
I am Italian. I was born in Rome. I studied English at school. I began to study at 13. All our lessons were in English. The teacher only translated some difficult words. I think I had a good basis at school, and then I went to England for the summer. At the beginning, everybody spoke very quickly and I couldn't understand much, but after a few days it was easier, and everything I had learned came back to me. I didn't go to a school in England, but I met my husband there. He's Scottish, and I thought his accent was very difficult at first. Now it's no problem. We live in Scotland.
Jesus Garcia.
I didn't study English at school in Mexico, and I started to learn at evening classes when I was 22. It was only 2 evenings a week, but I enjoyed the lessons. After 2 or 3 years, I went on holiday to the States and picked up a lot of expressions. Then I saved up and went to a language school in England for 2 months of 25 hours a week. There were all different nationalities in my class, and we had to speak English.